Hi, Carol Rivet here, talking about Global Domains International again. Yes, the 25-year company that's been paying me for years. Okay, I've been in this for a long time. I'm now have a team build that is doing wonderful. It's solid. You're working in teams of 5, so you're not alone. You can go to carol.ws at any time of this message and of this video and take a look at it. And another bonus, this is a check mark towards a duplication bonus. This is they earn their check mark towards their learning bonus is what this is when somebody you brought in directly earns their learning bonus, okay? When you get 10 people that do that and earn their learning bonus, and this is not timed, it can take you can take a couple years, you can take 3 years, you can take 1 month, and you can earn this duplication bonus of $250. Yes, when 10 people that you referred complete that learning bonus, which they earn $25, and then when you get 10 people that complete it and earn $25, and you earn a duplication bonus of $250. And I got to tell you, that's exciting when you're adding that into your usual monthly residual income that you earn from GDI. Okay, so another bonus that GDI has, and this is for recruiting, for people that recruit, and you can earn with that. When 5 people come in a 7-day period and they meet a couple qualifications for it, you earn $100 bonus with the recruiting bonus. Now, my team build's not set up for recruiting bonuses, okay? But if you're recruiting, you don't really need a team build. So if I'll put the link below of my direct link to where if you don't need a team build to help you recruit and bring people in. You can just join direct with me and just go to work. You can use any of the resources I have. I have systems set up. This is the team build system that I have. Okay, it's got a 40-day email series. Now I have another personal system of just a it's a capture page system of multiple capture pages, like almost 20 capture pages, I think, and a 300-day email series that you can use. So that's separate. That's if you're a recruiter on your own or you want to set up your own, then just go direct to my link and just use that. If you need a team build to help you recruit and help you build, then you're not going to be able to really get the recruiting bonus because the team build wasn't set up for that. The team build was to set up to help people that struggle to build and struggle to recruit. You can take a look at that, like I said, at carol.ws, and take a look at either of these. Take a look at the structure of how it's set up, because this is not a team build that I've ever seen as far as the structure, as far as how everybody joins in teams of 5 and helps their team grow. Now this, again, duplication bonus is exciting. You know, one person earns a learning bonus, which is very easy to qualify for, and to add that $25 to your commissions that get paid out on a monthly basis. Now you have to earn, I think the minimum is you have to earn, you can't just request the $25 learning bonus. You do have to request, you do have to earn. I think it's, well, let me look. Okay, here is my back office in GDI, and this is where you can check to see the learning bonus, the GDI duplication bonus. See, you get check marks. When you have 10 people that join and that complete their learning bonus, then you earn $250, and they add that to your commissions. I think you could get paid through PayPal, or maybe it's monthly. Either way, it's a great bonus, and the team build will help you earn the GDI duplication bonus. Okay, again, to be a to earn the $100 bonuses where you bring in 5 people in 1 week, you need to be a recruiter to do that. You need to be a builder to do that. So you wouldn't need the team build. Okay, so again, you can go to the link below this and yeah, take a look at this today. GDI is a solid company. You get a domain name, you get a website and hosting, you get professional email series, and an incredible uh, bonuses and monthly residual income from GDI for a $10 business. Can you believe it? $10. Okay. Have a great day. Bye bye.